Hello, I'm Ted Alejandre, your San Bernardino County Superintendent of Schools. Thousands of middle school, high school, and post-secondary students from across the state participated in the 56th Annual Skills USA California Championship competition at the Ontario Convention Center. Students who competed worked against the clock to demonstrate their skills in multiple career technical areas, including manufacturing, construction, and robotics. Hundreds of students participated in the Transition Career and Resource Fair. This year's theme was Back to the Future, Tomorrow's Possibilities. Industry leaders, local employers, community colleges, and training programs were all on hand to share openings with our students. For many students, this was their first chance to match their skills and interests with a viable job opportunity. Let's hear from one of this year's participants.
You get to learn about different things and different careers, and for young people, I feel like, they don't know what they want to do. Maybe they have so many options and stuff like that, but this would be fun for them to come and just experience a lot of things.
It was a packed house at the California Theater of the Performing Arts for the 5th Annual Performing Arts Showcase. From singing to dancing to a Broadway number, more than 300 of the most talented students from throughout the county took center stage. The skill and dedication these students showcased on stage was truly incredible. We want to thank our dedicated educators who provide high-quality instruction, and families for their support and encouragement as students explore their creativity in arts education. SBCSS remains committed to our students and staff in providing opportunities to experience new adventures. That's how we continue transforming lives through education.